Okay?
So the
All
white dots are
glomeruli.
glomeruli.
Yeah, and they're all in the cortex. There are no glomeruli down here. It's all in the cortex. Everything down here is tubes and the blood vessels, the vasa recta. Okay? Coming across here is the
Articulate.
arcuate. Arcuate artery. So that right across the division or separation of the cortex and the medulla. Okay? So, here's a glomerulus. So we have a glomerulus, we have afferent, efferent. They're both arterioles. Okay? The blood comes in, goes through the capillaries. Now this shows the capillaries without its coat, but these are coated with the podocytes. Remember those little finger things that are kind of locked together to keep the protein in. And so this is what it looks like when it has its coating on it. Bowman's capsule. Okay? Now, this is called what?
The renal capsule?
No.
Glomerulus.
Close.
Renal.
Another C
Corpuscle?
word. Corpuscle. This is the renal corpuscle.
The whole thing?
Is the glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, and the
What's
arteries.
the renal? Oh, all of this.
Is the
together.
renal capsule, it's like
No.
the inner lining?
No, renal capsule is here.
Oh,
This is the renal capsule.
okay. Oh, yes, outside the kidney.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what's the thing you just said?
Corpuscle.
Corpuscle.
I don't want to get them confused.
That's what this is called. The
whole
renal
thing.
corpuscle, just
That's
this.
Just the circular.
Yeah, renal corpuscle.
Oh, the circle.
So it's the glomerulus with its arteries, in
Wait,
effect.
so which part's the glomerulus?
Hmm?
What do you mean?
The renal corpuscle is this. The arteries, glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, and all of that.
So the
Technically, the
whole entire thing.
glomerulus is just these capillaries.
Oh,
What is
okay.
this?
I thought it was
Bowman's
so.
capsule.
See, that's
Yeah,
what I thought.
yeah,
I thought the
just-
whole thing.
Yeah, technically, now everybody calls it the glomerulus. You don't get into that other,
Okay.
Everybody says the glomerulus and they mean the whole thing, but
Okay.
technically it's just that.
Okay.
So they call this the corpuscle.
Okay, so how would you say that
would
on
you
a
put
test if you want us to? Like, how
Very
would you,
carefully.
like, would you say what is this structure, or would you say what is the outside structure, and then say what is the inside structure?
Oh no, I wouldn't try to do that.
Like, if you try
That's
to
not
like.
something that's
So like if you label this, we just put glomerulus.
What? 'Cause, like,
glomerulus, yeah.
because the way they like say it on the paper, I'm just.
Can you email it?
What is the blue? The blue dots.
On the
Here,
Yes.
I think those are the nuclei for the podocytes.
What did they do?
The podocytes are
The podocytes are those things
finger,
that
the
seal up.
filtration.
Yeah, I'm saying what
Seal.
does the blue stuff do?
That's just the nucleus.
Oh, the
It's
nucleus,
just the
okay.
DNA. Okay, so we have this thing here, and actually there is some here on the efferent as well. What is that?
That's that J1.
That's not the hilum? No.
Juxtaglomerular Okay. apparatus. Juxtaglomerular apparatus. What does that do? It is.
It controls the blood pressure.
Yeah, well, it's.
Salt.
Yeah.
No.
Something.
No.
Juxt is
It is
blood pressure.
And it is a sensor. Does two things. It's a sensor for blood pressure, but it also has some muscle, some smooth muscle, and it will contract around that arteriole
For
if
pressure.
need be. But it has the release of a hormone. What is the hormone that comes out of the juxtaglomerular apparatus?
ADH. ADH? No.
No. ADH comes from
The
Posterior.
posterior.
Collecting
Posterior.
where does it come from?
pituitary.
Well, yeah, you're right. It goes to yes.
Oh.
So what's here? Who's here?
No.
Who is here where it can monitor the blood pressure to adjust things?
ANP.
Nope.
No.
No. ANP is
heart?
atrial natriuretic peptide.
Your
Blood
aldosterone?
pressure?
For your salt?
We're getting closer.
Aldosterone?
GRF.
Where's aldosterone come
Is it
from?
angiotensin? Renin?
Yes.
Oh my gracious.
Renin.
Pick one, pick one. Sooner or later we'll get
I'm
there.
just naming hormones.
I know.
Renin comes from here.
Oh.
Okay, renin is released in low blood pressure.
What hormone?
Oh, it is.
Okay, so low blood pressure, you're going to get the renin released. What is right here? This is, okay, what is this? What's the greeny, yellowy greeny thing?
The
Thingy-mabobber.
It's a thingamabobby, yes. It's the distal thingamabobby,
distal something.
distal convoluted tubule.
Oh.
It's where the distal is coming up and the collecting duct kind of comes together, because I've seen it written as both.
Okay.
So it's one of the distal tubular things. And it has a set of specialized cells right here.
Yes, okay.
M.
Yes, it does.
Micro.
Is it
Macula densa.
macula? Okay.
That is looking at salt. So you're looking at blood pressure, you're looking at salt. And these things talk to each other. Actually, they talk to each other by a little hormone released here from the macula densa, but we're not going to get into that.
Okay.
Renin was enough, okay?